Got a little video coming for y'all. Program a red key to my car. No, it ain't got nothing in the back, so y'all can't say I'm a-badging. You can't even a-badge a damn key. You know what I'm saying? And I got my OEM. Y'all stay tuned. Link in bio. Go on to subscribe. If you ain't subscribed, you tripping. So YouTube, this Hellraiser underscore 6.4. If you're new, please subscribe to the channel. Please comment and tell me what y'all think. So I got this all brand red key. It was just like the key that the Hellcats have, you know. But it's just a replica of it, right? It don't have the Dodge on the back or the slot where, you know, the OEM key has. But I'm gonna show you how to swap the the chip from your OEM key to the red key. So stay tuned. First thing you want to do is take this off the top. So this is the key. It's not made, you know, it's not engraved to your car yet. So you could just go ahead on and just pull this back. Pull it back and just pull it out. Hold on, y'all. This key here a little harder to do. I'm gonna pull it to the back. See this little slot right here in the back. You want to pull it out. Same with the OEM key. Side is forward. You just want to pull it back. You want to pull it up because this is the key that is made for the car. This key that the dummy have, it gotta get cut. It's gotta get cut to fit your car. So you want to take this out, and then what you want to go and do now, you want to be extremely careful. You want to get the a flathead screwdriver. You want to kind of pry the sides because the key has already been opened to put the computer inside. So you want to kind of like pry it on the side. Just kind of be careful though. You don't want to you know, crack your key. You don't want to break it. So try to get like an edge on the side or something like that. Hold on, y'all. YouTube. So it's my little brother. I'll call him later. You gotta put the key into the side and kind of like pry it up, right? You know, the key was already pre-cut, so you know how it's closed. You just want to get the small flathead screwdriver and kind of like pry up on it. Then you want to open it, right? You see where everything is, right? You're gonna put everything in the same way you will inside the dummy key. So, oh my goodness, man. Hold on, y'all. I'm doing a YouTube video, man. Hold on, give me like 10 minutes. Hold on. Alright, man. Goodness gracious, can people just text before they call? Goodness. Well, yeah. Now I'm about to do the same with the red key, right? Pretty sure this one maybe being pre-opened. Just want to kind of get to the side, kind of get in there a little bit. You know, this one might be a little harder since the dummy might have not have been open, maybe. But yeah. I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying to, you know, I'm doing it with y'all. It's gonna be, you know, might be a little tedious, you know. Trying to get in the side of it, but it's a little difficult for me. I don't want to scratch the key up either, you know. Oh man, that's a little difficult. I don't want to scratch the key up. It's hard to get in here, y'all. Let's try to get in here around. So it's the same thing. See, I'm trying to pry like the OEM key. The OEM key was a little easier. Man, I can do it with y'all. Okay, so try to get it from the top where you meet. Try to put it in there and pry it up, y'all. It's the side, the crack is gonna be a lot harder for the great value key, but for the OEM one, it's a little easier. It's being open. It's not a virgin. This key is a virgin. It's a little harder to get in. But yeah, boom. So it seems that this key already has a battery and it already has a program, but it doesn't work because it's not programmed to the car. So the way you want to take this out, right? You want to pull the battery up. You just want to pull the battery up from like here. Get under here, kind of like pry it up. It's pried up. Now it's out, guys. With this, you just want to kind of pry it up from the side. Kind of get it from like the side. So it's going to be a little difficult. But you don't want to break it, you know. You want to kind of like pry it from the side, so. Hey, I'm not sure. I'm doing a YouTube video. Everybody disturbing me today. Fuck. I want to tear the computer up, but look, man. I'm trying to like pry it up. Oh, it's like right here. See this red thing? It's sitting on here and I gotta pick it up, so I'm gonna try to pick it up from like here. Oh man, this is difficult to record. Try to maybe try to get it like in a corner. Man, this key. It's moving. It's tight, bro. It's tight, y'all. It's hard to get it out, y'all. For real. I'm scratching it all up, y'all. Y'all can find like a flat head or something smaller to get under here. There we go. Look, y'all. Look. Boom. Take it out. Now you gotta take the OEM one out. So this key is naked. All naked, y'all. I took all the stuff out of the you want to keep it, you can if you ever decide to program it, but if you want to save you some money, you know what I'm saying, go ahead on and take the one from the OEM key out like this one, take it out, and it's placing inside the dummy key. So like I said, don't mix the battery, so I don't think it matters, but you just want to keep it simple, right? Get out of here, right? And then you place it in the place of what it was on this one, in the red key, right? Because we all can't afford a hellcat, but we want one. Now with this, should be extremely careful. Just try to get it from the side, like I said. And it's kind of like, you know, pried up. Man, it's high up here, so you just want to kind of pry it from the side. It's hard, y'all. It's really hard. No cap. Just try your best not to damage the key. Just try to find like a small, like a weak spot or something and get under there. There we go. Look. There we go. Look. Coming out, y'all. Keep going under there. Do that. Push under there. Push it back there. Fuck. Alright, we got it. You might as well just pull it off, wiggle it off. Be careful though, because it got to come out this black thing. So this black piece is holding it. So you don't want to snap the key. You don't want to snap the computer. But it's holding it down. It's not really letting me get it off like the red one was, but keep wiggling it. and eventually it's gonna let go. So I got it up. Y'all see, I got it up. This is black. It's just this black piece is holding it down right here. So maybe it's not really letting me take it out. So I can't really take it out. What? Y'all gotta stop bothering me when I'm doing my YouTube now. Hold on, man. I'm doing a YouTube video. Goodness. Man, family always interrupting my YouTube. But see, this right here is holding this down. So maybe this is like holding it down. But it's not moving, so maybe if I can. See, the OEM key wasn't like that. It had a piece on that, but it wasn't nothing blocking it. So I might have to cut it. But y'all see this right here is holding it down. I'm trying to pull it out, so give me a sec. YouTube, I finally got it out. Now, all you want to do is just place it inside here the same way you found it inside the black key. See this red thing? This has to sit on top of it, right? All you simply do is, I heard cut my finger bleeding from the key. Y'all be careful. It's real up in here, right? So push it to all the way down. It's all the way down. Right, it's all the way down. Then we're gonna get the back. Right, so make sure your battery is all the way down. I'm sorry, y'all, it's not the best video. I'm still learning, man. Appreciate y'all for watching anyway. Then you wanna connect it. It's gonna snap. And if it don't snap, that means that something ain't on right. Okay. It's programmed, so let me prove to y'all that it works, right? Like I said, get your key. First, you have to make sure the key is closed all the way, because you just open it. So, and boom. That's how you do it. So let's go outside and let's see if it's programmed. Let's get it. All right, YouTube. So y'all know that I just showed y'all how to transfer the guts from a black key to a red key. This red key don't got the hellcat on the back, so y'all shut the hell up. Ain't nobody up badging. I represent my mother clucking bee. Does it work? Let's see if it works. Yes, it worked. All right, y'all. Make sure y'all leave a sub. Thank y'all. I'm out of here.